Alrighty, you good?
I'm ready.
How you feeling?
Good. Haven't had to do a thing.
Yeah, that's like a couple of mil, like literally 2 mil is about right.
Yeah, maybe a little
Yeah, it looks good, looks good. Yeah, nice, that's where it'll start picking up pace.
Yes. Okay, yeah, I'm seeing a little bit too much right.
Okay. I'm typically watching you and not picking my own line.
Yeah, isn't it funny how the red and the orange look the same at that distance? Yours looks a little bit more red.
Fuck, we're gonna have an meet air in a minute.
Ah.
Well, Bob's coming through like a bloody razor blade.
Oh yeah.
flying model, aren't they?
Yeah, I've got the wings dropping, the right is dropping. I think my left servo has got some play in the gear mesh.
Ah, right.
So I need to grab one of the other ones that doesn't have it. I've got 17 of them.
Yeah.
Is that close? That's okay.
Oh, I'm down in the valley. That's alright. Climb out of it. Yeah. How much super glue do you have with you? Do you have a second? Yeah. So I bought 3, and I've got 2 foamies in the back if I really need them. I bought my Phoenix 1600.
Oh, okay.
So, hey, we had a crash. Okay, I just got taken out of here.
Oh, was that you?
Yeah. That was and they're fluttering down my elevons.
Oh, no.
Just let it into the grass. Yeah, that'll do. That'll survive. Well done on a maiden.
Thanks, mate.
Can I have my aileron back? There somewhere.
Oh, no. You don't know.
Sure.
At least I can see it from here.
Oh yeah. Let's go down the mountain and get a model. Did you see the notch in the front of your wing, Andrew? Yeah. I think that puts you in the wrong. You hit the back of me.